Welcome back mga kasambahay, mga ka-sports. Nandito pa rin po tayo sa Makati Coliseum sa nag-iisang liga ng mga public servants, ang UNTV Cup. At katatapos lamang po ng isang matinding bakbakan ng first game kung saan napagtagumpayan ng Judiciary Mages laban po sa GSIS Furies. Napakalaki po nito, 110-57. At you can also, at para po sa ating mga kasambahay na lagi nakasubaybay sa bawat game ng UNTV Cup, you can post your comments on our official Facebook page, www.facebook.com/UNTVCup. And don't forget to use our official hashtag, #UNTVCup3. And you can also stay tuned real time sa live po ito sa ating website, www.untbweb.com. At habang naghahanda na po ang ating mga teams para sa ating second game, silipin muna natin ang naging performance ng isa sa mga key players ng Senate Defenders. Walang iba kundi ang ating Senator, Senator Sonny Angara. Dito lang po sa Player Review.
Wearing jersey number 2, the team captain of Senate Defenders, Senator Juan Edgardo Sanz.
Isa sa mga kilalang public servants na kaisa sa public service advocacy ng UNTV Cup ay ang team captain ng Senate Defenders na si Senator Juan Edgardo Sonny Angara. Kung matatandaan last season, nagmarka sa buong liga ang di makakalimutang buzzer beater shot ni Senator Angara mula sa half court na siyang all-time favorite play sa UNTV Cup.
And we're down to 4.1 seconds. Senator Sonny Angara ay isa sa pinaka-passionate na players natin dito sa UNTV Cup. Alam mo, napaka-prestisyoso ng kanyang posisyon bilang isang senator ng ating bayan. Pero dito, player lang siya. At saka pasok mo siya, hindi mo siya ipasok, okay lang sa kanya. But he contributes. He's a very aggressive, very hustling player. Of course, ang pinaka-famous na ginawa ni Senator Angara, no, nung nakuha niya yung ball, in-inbound yung bola ng halftime, tinira sa gitna. Ang maganda doon, umikot at saka pumasok. So it just gives you an idea of how much he is passionate about the game and he never gives up as well.
Role player ang ating senador sa koponan ng Senate Defenders at sinisikap niya na palaging ma-maximize ang quality minutes niya sa floor.
Well, naniniwala ako na si Senator Sonny Angara ang maliban sa passion na pinapakita niya rito sa UNTV Cup, naniniwala ako na isa siya sa mga manlalaro na talagang napakataas ng level of improvement. Kung dati, talagang maituturing mo na complimentary player, ngayon he is already a key player dito sa rotation ni Coach Kenneth Duremdes. At alam ko na isa siya sa mga pinakapaborito ng mga manonood ng UNTV Cup, hindi lamang sa angking niyang galing, kundi dun sa the way he plays. He is a true sportsman. And higit sa lahat, I think his passion overshadows yung sabihin na natin na inexperience. And that's what endears him dito sa followers ng UNTV Cup.
Maganda ang itinakbo ngayon ng kampanya ng Senate Defenders sa Season 3 at isa sa mga dahilan ay ang consistent plays ni point guard Sonny Angara.
Senator Angara, tumira ka ba? Wala akong aangal sa inyo. Itingan niyo, pag napakabait ni Sir Sonny, pagtanggap niyang bola, binibigay niya ito sa mga kampi niya. Pero I think nakakascore siya, may average siya ng about 4 points per ball game yata. So I think he should take more shots. I don't think he should be hesitant to shoot.
If the body is ready, then you can have better performance. And that is always the challenge kina Senator Sonny Angara, given the task that they have to do sa kanilang workload. And so a simple advice is just to stay in shape and continue bringing the passionate fire sa kanilang paglalaro dito sa UNTV Cup.
At sa mas pinalakas na Senate Defenders sa pangunguna ng kanilang team captain na si Senator Angara, siguradong aabangan ang bawat hamon sa kanila sa hardcourt. Abangan ang mga paborito ninyong hardcourt heroes ng UNTV Cup dito lang sa Player Review. Kaya siguradong nakaabang na muli ang mga fans ni Senator Sonny Angara at ng mga Senate Defenders sa mga hardcourt heroics na ipapakita ng koponan sa bawat game nila ngayon laban sa MMDA Black Wolves. Kaya wag na po nating tagalin. Balik na po tayo kay 7 Coach Ron.
Okay, maraming salamat Ryan. Akala mo napakalayo ni Ryan. Nandun lang sa kabilang Ibayo. Ayat, ito. MMDA laban sa Senate. Given where everybody is in the team standings, critical ang laro na to.
Lalong-lalo na para sa MMDA. At naniniwala ako that the Black Wolves are fighting for dear life if they aim to progress towards the next round. Ito koponan ng Senado, last played December 12. Laro na kung saan nanalo sila versus GSIS 84-65. They are at 2-1 right now. And a win here today will progress them to the next phase.
Alam mo, 2 losses in a row ng MMDA. Medyo malaki ang mga distansya at mahirap ang mga nakalaban nila. So itong team na ito, baka siguro malaki ang height nitong Senado but hindi sila kabataan, ano? Medyo advanced in years din ito. Mga just behind us siguro to. Sabay kantsaw, ano ha?
Kung sila just behind us, gusto naman ng MMDA, they will be ahead of the
Tatakbuhan,
defenders.
ano?
Foot speed and of course transition defense, probably leak outs. Yan ang magiging bentahe rito ng kupunan ni Coach Yoyong Martinez.
Pero alam mo, yung mga speedy teams natin, gaya kanina, nasa lanta ang GSIS.
Ako, binagyo ng ITCC, sabi nga natin. Intertropical Convergence.
Anong pangalan ng bagyo?
Amang. Pumasok sa PAR.
Okay. Sige, paumpisahan na natin itong bakbakan na ito para magkaalaman na kung sino ang luminaw-linaw, kung sino yung dalawang teams na baka hindi umabot para sa next round kasi 4 lang sa bawat grupo ang aabante. Patala natin sa ating Coliseum announcer.
Welcome back here at the Makati Coliseum for today's second game between the MMDA Black Wolves in the Senate Defenders in the UNTV Cup Season 3 first round of the eliminations. Here are the protagonists. Give it up first for your MMDA Black Wolves. Number 3, PJ Villanueva. Number 4, Gilbert Sosa. Number 5, Max Kitap. Number 6, Ermel Edria. Number 10, Daniel Gaitan. Number 11, Aristotel Aguas. Number 12, Johnson Francisco. Number 14, Harold Monson. Number 18, Jared Fortu. Number 23, Francis Lamon. Number 24, Joter Malyari. Number 28, Babski Panikan. Number 30, Manuel Nolasco. And number 31, Alden Nodado. Their head coach is Mandel Martinez. Assistant coaches are Albert Olaya, Janadel Cardel, and Yoyong Martinez. Make some noise now for your Senate Defenders. Number 3, Christian Andaya. Number 5, Ronald Golding. Number 9, Ryan Endaya. Number 10, Warren Tan. Number 13, Emmanuel Baltasar. Number 14, Marlon Legaspi. Number 15, Lino Ong. Number 21, Robert Red. Number 23, Ray Malaga. Number 25, Joe Garcia. Number 29, Edward Ganal. Number 30, Tata Marata. Number 31, Julius Roa. And number 88, Simon Valencia. Their head coach is Captain Marbel, Kenneth Doremdes. Assistant coach is Saldi Realubin. Let's first call out the starters of your MMDA Black Wolves. Number 3, PJ Villanueva. The other guard, number 6, Ermel Edria. At center, number 24, Joter Malyari. At forward, number 31, Alden Nodado. In the other forward, number 5, Max Gitap. Check out now the starters of your Senate Defenders. At guard, number 29, Edward Ganal. The other guard, number 23, Ray Malaga. At center, number 14, Marlon Legaspi. At forward, number 31, Julius Roa. In the other forward, number 13, Emmanuel Baltasar. Our officials for this game, Ariel Bermeo, Mon Santiago, and Arlon Crebillo. This is your UNTV Cup. Ito ang bagong game ko.
Just about ready to put the ball in the air and get these two teams entangled. Itong 13 na Senado. Bagong dagdag nila ito. Bato-bato ito eh. si Baltasar.
Ito sinasabi mong bato-bato na ito, sir, ay pumulot ng 17 points para dito sa kupunan ng defenders dun sa kanilang huling panalo that happened way back December 12 na kung saan tinampakan nila ang GSIS Furies. 4 players in double digits led by the 26 points. Dun sa breakout performance itong si Marlon Legaspi, built around a 4 of 4 shooting clip mula sa Rainbow Territory.
Edward Ganal breaking the ice. And just a point from the free throw line. Here's a follow-up. Bautista, they gang up on him. Malyari, and there's a foul against Roa.
Ang mapapasabak dito sila Gitap at si Malyari. They're coming off a loss against definitely one of the taller teams dito sa ating UNTV Cup. They lost the rebounding battle 38-25. And today they have to work double time to match up dito kay Baltazar at itong si Marlon Legaspi.
Dodado. Nowhere to go. Touch passing. Legaspi with a pivot move. Got it.
Is in shape. And when Marlon Legaspi is in shape, he's hard to guard, tough to defend.
Matagal din naglaro dito sa court na to yan.
Oo naman.
Philippine Basketball
Dito sumikat yan sa PBL, sir. Oo.
Marami rin tayong games na na-cover dito. Sidestepping motion. That will not work, but he most likely will visit the free throw line. So Adrian is there. No. I always speak too soon. It's just a baseline inbound. Villanueva into the corner now. Alam mo, defensive playbook when you play the MMDA is don't let them run, frustrate them, force them to shoot from the outside. Yung tendencies nila, they get frustrated when they can it. They hindi reliable ang outside shooting nila.
Transition defense is vital para sa defenders. And then identifying those who have the outside shot in terms of their half-court defense. So talking about the Senate defenders, si Manzon may tira yan, si Villanueva may tira yan. Although dun sa huling laro nila, kung saan natalo sila sa kupunan ng judiciary, hindi pumutok itong si PJ Villanueva. Baltazar reminds me so much of a Noli Locsin, sir. Built like a tank, can move you underneath.
Tapos, pag ginausap kay Lunggo.
Asal lambot magsalita. Pero ang tigas maglaro.
Kalayo ko naman siya, hindi ko naman ginito.
Alay!
Diba?
Kaya pala ay.
Noli Locsin. Blast from the past. At kung titingnan mo ang dalawa na nagko-coach ng Senate, yan ang blast from the past.
Si Captain Marvel at si Salford.
Follow up. Ayaw, gumapang sa loob. Ang bakbakan sa loob. Ayun. Baltasar gets it to bite.
Alam ni Coach Kenneth Duremdes na yung diin nila ay nasa loob. At yung kanilang mga newest recruits for the third conference are all frontline players. Although itong si Malaga can play the point forward position, Legaspi is a 5, Baltasar is a 4. They can swing spots. And right now, Baltasar and Legaspi have towed the defenders to a 5-point advantage over the Wolves.
Wolves have not had a clear look at the hoop until now. Max Gitap made of nail steels and hollow blocks,
Among others.
among other ingredients.
Yes.
Basket.
6-point performance for Max Gitap doon sa kanilang huling laro.
Well done. Roa provided just the right shield. Legaspi burning the cords. 10-2.
Velvet touch for Marlon Legaspi. Inside-outside threat. 8-point lead para dito sa defenders.
Alam mo yung running set does not work against a team na matangkad. Talo ka sa rebound dyan.
Talo ka sa rebound talaga, kaya kailangan makatakbo ka. Pero makakatakbo ka lang kung makaka-defensive stop ka.
Kung may bola ka.
Oo, at makaka-force turnover ka.
8 ang lamang ng koponan ng Senado with 6 on their shot clock. They pass the ball around looking for the best possible opportunity. They'll call traveling against Baltasar.
parang sigh of relief for Nodado bago siya kayurin doon ni Baltazar. Natawagan muna for extra steps itong si Baltazar.
You think PJ should take more shots
Yes.
from the outside? Malyari can't drop it in.
They had only 4 attempts heading to the final quarter dun sa kanilang pagkatalo kontra sa Judiciary. At oo, tumama siya ng 10 points pero yung huling 6 doon, garbage time na yun.
Of course, always within the context and the flow of the offense.
That's correct.
ano,
Saka depende rin kung anong gustong gawin niya. Ni Coach Martinez as Malaga nails that mid-range shot. 10-point advantage right away para dito sa defenders.
That heave by Villanueva does not hit the target. It's a 10-point lead. Shake, bake, and connection.
Ay sinasabi natin na forced turnover resulting into a bucket. 2 points off that turnover courtesy of Monzon.
Si Monzon, ano rin yun eh.
Sorry, si Nodado pala yun.
Ah, si Nodado.
Si Nodado, wala pa si Monzon.
comes
Oo.
up the bench.
Yes.
Na tumatayo pa lang sa bench, parang nagkakahiwalay-hiwalay na yung katawan, di ba?
Kakalasag-lasag.
Kinetic yan eh. Coach, ako ba? Papasok, coach.
And again, an inside basket for Legazpi.
Walang may over na tao na babangga dyan on the part of MMDA. Max. Malyari finds a crack. Can't fill it up. Ganda ng pace na nilalaro ng Senator. Bagay sa...
Ensayado na sila, Seb. Saka
diskarte nila.
alam na nila yung materials na meron sila.
Legazpi. Oh, the big man on the move.
All he needed was a shot fake. At ito, palaki ng palaki ang bulusok para dito sa defenders. And right now, this is a 11-2 run na pinakawala ng defenders built around multiple baskets from Marlon Legazpi.
Astilgard Gogolov 3. And Legazpi has collected 9 points already. 9 of the 16.
Sabi nga natin, Marlon Legazpi is coming off a 26-point performance doon sa kanilang huling panalo that happened before the holiday season.
And Nado will go out. We have Garcia checking in for Canal. Mukhang nagkakahulihan na ng ugali si Kenneth and the rest of the team. Ano? Kasi pag na-frustrate si Kenneth, talagang sinasabi niya. Of course, he played 1 season with them. Legazpi launches. Linis. 12.
Has not missed today from the field. 5 of 5. Perfect game so far for Marlon Legazpi. 15. Malamangan. Defenders.
PJ into the sideline. It rims out. Hala, bullet pass. Hit up.
Binanggit natin kanina yung rebounding woes ng MMDA kontra sa koponan ng Judiciary. Dito sa ating laban na to, 10-1 na ang rebounding count. 9 rebound deficit right away para dito sa MMDA Black Wolves.
Aside from the fact, wala silang makuha ang rebound kasi pumapasok din
Kaya
yung
kailangan
tira,
tumamang jump shots nila, Seth, pagdating sa kanilang offense.
Hindi walang makuha ang rebound kasi nakakashoot nga itong
Hindi sila makatakbo.
Senate. Walang takbuhan, no? Underneath, too easy.
2 players terrorizing the interior defense of MMDA. Baltazar and Marlon Legazpi just going to town,
Mama,
using
no?
their height advantage and their heft.
Mama. 1 shot and we're gone. Malagas done a good job of running the offense. Hooking it back inside. No need to rush here. I told you, no need to rush. Ayaw makinig sa akin, ano?
Hindi ka kasi nila narinig, Seth, pero Marlon Legazpi heeding the call of Coach Kenneth to come out with a lot of fire.
Okay. And we've got a timeout. Back in a moment. (23-4) dahil sa taong ito. Patrol, I am it. Lahat ng bitawan, pasok.
Sumasagitsit sa init. Etong si Marlon Legazpi. Papahinga muna si Baltazar. Papasok itong si Tan, pero si Marlon Legazpi nandyan pa rin para dito sa Senado.
Yan si Tan, reliable din sa loob yan. Yan yung matagal naglaro din dito sa kura ng Senate. This one will be, yan baseline, hindi pabor sa MMDA. Ano? Doesn't favor the, tapos sa taas si Roa. yung kapos sa taas na gano'n, kung minsan nami-misjudge mo, no?
Lalo pag may humahabol sa'yo.
Mahabol, gusto mo i-shoot, excitement.
Saka pag kulang ka sa buwelo, hindi ka umaangat.
Saka kasi, yun nga, nung may humahabol, tinatansya mo yung pinagdadaanan mo. Samantala sa saksak, si Monson na ba yan? Ayan na. May foul na na-spot ang ating referee. Tanang guilty ng foul. Pero ang score natin, hindi ko nagbibiro. 23, paga 4.
Hindi ko matandaan kung bagong manlalaro itong si Red o hindi lang naglaro. Pero
Hindi naglaro yata.
definitely interesting name.
Red. El director ang pangalan, Raymond Red.
Correct.
Monson. Wala huli ang ano nyo, yung gusto nyo gawin na yan. Nice bump, but they'll call it. They'll call it.
Two free
DJ
throws
Villanueva.
para dito kay Garcia. Once again, that rebounding dominance by the defenders enabling them to spill their game into the open court.
You know, so far we've had two teams that have asserted themselves in the course of the first quarter, really.
Early separation dun sa ating unang laro kanina. Mabilis na nagpamalas ng total dominance ang judiciary si Coach Dennis Balasan, and eventually they left GSIS biting the dust, so to speak.
Garcia knocking in the second free throw, making it 25-4, 21-point lead, and more of the shock troopers seeing action. Marata is already on the floor.
Marata also coming up with an explosive performance before Christmas Day. 16 solid points for Tata Marata dun sa kanilang panalo.
Simon Valencia, the big guy, who's on the staff of Senator Bam Aquino, where's number 88 is on the floor. Ano rin ito? Lahat ng dumikit, Ronnie Giba. In the meantime, Red knocking in the basket.
At ito, mapula na ang opensiba ng Senado, 22 against 2.
Legislative staff
My
employee.
goodness, in the last 6 minutes, ha?
Wala, mukhang ganitong araw na to.
Oo, scoreless for 4 minutes na itong MMDA Black Wolves.
Estado. Nolasco picks up the loose ball. Am I right? Nolasco. Yep, I'm right. Now they want to press. They want to force the issue. You got to do this. Want to use speed? You got to force the turnovers. You got to force the turnovers. And Kenneth Durandez says, "Why are you forced to do turnovers?" Zalford is there. Zal de Realubit. We'll be back. You're on UNTV and watching the UNTV Cup Season 3. Sam Sarmenta and Ronnie Magsanok here at the Makati Coliseum. The Senate, one of our teams in the middle of the standings together with the MMDA, ahead by 21 here at the tail end of the first quarter.
At naka-isang basket dito ang White Shirts courtesy of the second straight turnover ng defenders. Only their first field goal since the 6-minute mark. Scoreless for about 5 minutes. Pero tumimeout si Coach Kenneth Durandez dahil nagtapon sila ng 2 beses. Nasunod.
Dalawang sunod.
Ngayon, 3 na ito.
Here's Bobski.
Favorite name mo, sir?
Bobski. That is lost. Ang MMDA, pag nawawala ang bola, kitang-kita mo yung frustration sa mukha nila. Garcia being challenged by Lamon. Here comes Pedria. Faster than the traffic of Metro Manila. Especially in the meantime, there's a foul by Red.
Parang mahirap pag nagkasabay-sabay wala si Malaga, Baltasar.
Si Legaspi, ano?
At si Legaspi, oo. Ito Tamarata ang stabilizer dito sa grupong to. Nakaka-stop sila pero hindi sila maka-finish sa break.
So, walang pensa, no? Save for that basket by Red earlier. Ayun na. Kasi na-memorize na itong MMDA, which is the right thing to do. Yep. Here comes Monzon. Ito gusto ng MMDA. Magic moments. Parang cartoons, di ba?
Nahihirapan si Tamarata kung siya ang magbababa at siya pa nga atake. In the last few minutes, score stood at 27-4. And then suddenly 6-0 run na ito para sa Black Wolves ng MMDA. They are forcing turnovers. They are now able to get their running
Yan ang gusto
game
nila
going.
mangyari, no, ha?
Kaya babalasa muna rin si Coach Kenneth Durendes at magpapasok ang isa pang gwardya upang makatulong nitong si Tata Marata.
Si Andaya, mamang laging maaga ang susubok pumasok pag pinayagan ng ating mga scoring official, table officials.
Mukhang nasabihan din ni Chief Justice si Tata Marata na magpagupit.
Hindi si Chief Justice nagsabi.
Ay, hindi. Sino?
Senate President na nagsabi. Here's Andaya stepping in, pulling out Garcia, is this? Yes. 28-10 as we hit the final 37 seconds of this first quarter. Maniga into the corner. Monzon. Yep, clean and clear as day. 3-point shot. And it is down to 15. Red, Andaya losing control. Still ice cold coming off the bench. Diniina ng balikan. Pasok. No problem that time for Bobski Panigan. And there's a foul. Number 6, that's Indria. And the penalty situation is imposed against the MMDA. Final 4 seconds of the first quarter. A bit of a run engineered here.
Yes, big counter run. Engineered by the Black Wolves. Sabi nga natin, 25-4 ang talaan kanina. O yun, 29-15 na. 11 against 4. A lot of turnovers para dito sa Senado na siyang converted naman ng MMDA dahil sa kanilang ball pressure sa backcourt.
Monzon has time. There's a foul. And he'll visit the free throw line. Hindi pa tapos itong first quarter. Titira ng free throw to.
21 ang pinakamalaking abante kanina para dito sa kupunan ng defenders.
And free throws for Monzon. Harold Monzon. And they cut down the lead to 15. Monzon, who has a good hand from the perimeter, sinks the first, as well as the second. So some kind of a head start spilling over, hopefully.
The second unit has a lot to do about this huge fight back para dito sa MMDA patungo sa ating second quarter.
Umpisahan natin ang ating second quarter sa bilang na 30-17. Maagang arangkada ng kupunan ng Senado, rumatsada sa bandang dulo ang MMDA.
Huling paghahabol naman ang siyang binitawan dito ng Black Wolves. Behind at 27-4, now only down at 30-17. That is a huge 13-4 counter run built around Monzon and the rest of the second unit ng Black Wolves.
Bobski takes it away. Here comes Nodado. Ito yung kitty-kitty 5. No, nothing that time from Monzon.
And the Wolves have smelled blood, Seb. Blood from too many turnovers. Sugat-sugat dito ang Senado sa dami ng kanilang mga tapon ng bola. 7 total turnovers all in all para dito sa defenders.
Kasi ang pace ng ball game nagbago, no? Pabor din
Yan
sa
ang gusto ng
NBA.
Black Wolves.
That shot, however, just falling short. Rodado with no mustard on that hot dog.
Ito, hindi mo na ma-ball pressure ito si Malaga.
Ito, cool siya, no? Here's Andaya. Legaspi. Flawless.
Kung si Malaga, cool. Si Legaspi, super cool.
Ano, sub-zero?
Oo.
Sub-zero.
14 in the game for Marlon Legaspi. Like that 17 in the game for Marlon Legaspi. Over half of his total team's production.
Oh boy, hinagis na lang ni Lamon yung bola papunta sa basket. At sabi na may last touch kayo, Senado. Shot clock sa 13. Malyaris back in. They'll try to man the slot. Not too much ceiling, as you know, as far as the MMDA is concerned. Not exactly our one of our tallest teams. Spunkiest, perhaps. Nice short pass. That does not work, however. Kainis ano pag yung malalapit ang hindi pumapasok, ano?
Panghihinayang dahil hindi ka makapulot. Mabuti dito. Third opportunity already in this possession para dito sa Black Wolves.
Manuel Nolasco just missing there. Here's Monson. He'll crank it up. Good line! A three.
Coming off a 19-point explosion in that losing cause kontra sa judiciary. Monson.
Nagising na yung coaching staff.
Oo naman. Tindi.
Legaspi is blocked. Here comes Nodado. Malyari. No. Loose ball. Andaya takes it. Here comes Legaspi. Monson will pray.
Mabait pa nga si Marlon Legaspi doon, Seve. Inusog lang niya. Itong si Monson. Monson coming off the bench to score 8 points. And that is leading the way para dito sa MMDA. Idria backstabbing him with 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 players nakapag-contribute para dito sa kupunan ng MMDA at para naman dito sa kupunan ng Senate Defenders. 4 naman lalaro din ang siyang may puntos. Subalit si Marlon Legaspi nasa kauna-unang pagkakataon ay magmimintis. Ang siyang leader sa kanilang scoring with a total of 17. Uncharacteristic of Marlon Legaspi to miss 2 straight free
Miss
throws.
Charities. Villanueva all the way from 10. No. And the ball tapped about. Baltasar unable to secure it. Here's Panigan. Over now to... That won't work. Nolasco missing that shot. Still from behind by Monson, who's all over the metro. His pass, however, read by Andaya. And... No need.
I thought that Monson tackled Marlon Legaspi. Alam ni Marlon kung sadya o hindi. Kasi iwan na siya eh. Dito
Ito.
madadapa si Monson. Dahil sa habol ni Legaspi, ito,
Ayun.
inabangan eh.
They may call it as unsportsmanlike.
Kaya
foul.
nagalit si Marlon doon.
Ayan. I think better angle ito. Ayun. Klaro. Klaro.
Iba yung sumabit, iba yung may pitik.
May ninja pag halong ninja si Monson, ano? Kasi bagsak na.
Pwede. Baka may star knife yan. Sayang dahil siya ang catalyst
Oo nga.
para dito sa MMDA. Definitely this will deflate the momentum ng Black Wolves dahil ang bilis na nung headway na nakuha nila. Down 21 earlier. Only 2 field goals sa unang 7 minuto ng laban na ito. Marlon Legaspi missing his 3rd straight free throw.
Oo nga. Splitting is Charities 4-2. Comes in for Nolasco. They'll keep Monson
Si
on the
Bobski, si 4-2. Si Kitap.
Naaliw ka na naman sa mga
Si
pangalan.
Pancan.
Ang ganda ng first name ni 4-2. Si Jared. Ano nangyari?
Itong si Marlon Legaspi ay binura. Yung isa sa mga nasa ilalim para dito sa MMDA.
14 is the distance. Ano ang biggest lead na?
21. 27-6.
So some headway, no?
25-4.
4-2. Free. Drops it momentarily. Recovers. Ended up with empty pockets. Gusto kong dala ng bola na. Malaga. Wide open. Marata. No. Baltasar draws the double coverage. Cross court. Ganal. Wala. Rebound secured. Babsky. Panigan. Villanueva. Hindi maka-launch ang although that basket works. Halata mo sa MMDA, they cannot launch set up, straight up jump, no?
Si
Kailangan
Monson
bumuelo
lang.
eh.
Si Monson lang ang meron noon. And the blitz continues para dito sa Black Wolves. Behind by 21. Now lead has shrunk to only 12.
Baltasar had a good line, just falling an inch short. Here's Villanueva, zigzagging and defying the presence of Baltasar. Forced to pass off. Malyare.
The rally is for real para dito sa Black Wolves.
Down to 10. Here's Baltasar. The lob to Legaspi. Yes.
When they need him, he can step up to the plate. Marlon Legaspi, perfect from the field, but only 25% from the line. 20 out of the 36 points ng defenders galing kay Marlon Legaspi.
Sabi mo yan kasi 1 out of 4 siya. Diba?
Tama.
Villanueva missing the long distance lead. And there's a lot of shoving and pushing inside. Huh?
Putting down number 20, Babsky Manigan, his third personal.
We're gonna check out Alibit, Tibay, Atay, Sarap ng Buhay. 3-point connection. 36-24, 6:07 remaining second quarter. There's Malaga. Oh, good move.
Yan yung sinasabi natin na point forward. Good quarterback, but his ability to also attack inside makes him a double threat. Up 10 now, already on top by 14. Ito kabulan ng defenders.
Villanueva, no post to go to. There's a wide open shot. No, suddenly nanlalamig na itong MMDA.
Wala sa range talaga nila 7 except for Monson.
Hindi nila bato talaga yung press eh. Ganal forces it up. Nowhere to go. Followed by Baltasar. The book might be, box him out. Easier said than done.
You cannot push him underneath. He's an immovable force when he's already situated at the bottom of the rim. 6 points, 5 rebounds para dito kay Baltasar.
Okay, Roa is back in and Drea is for his own team. So mahirap itulak, ikutan mo.
Oo, pero Sir, tignan mo kung saan nag-free throw si Baltasar.
Saan?
Baka ma-close up natin yan direct.
Ayan o.
Hindi lang sa malayo, basta
Ayan.
bandang kaliwa, wala sa gitna. Yung
ganun.
paa direct, yung paa. Ang layo, oh.
Okay, pumasok. Tingnan natin. May free throw uli yan. Nakita mo. Bato sa kanto. Bato sa board.
Well defended by Legaspi.
Sarado. No?
Closing out that baseline. Villanueva with the door locked on him. Ay wala na talagang mapuntahan.
There's an Osteogard Gogol out 3 earlier. In the meantime, Baltasar is fouled. Direct punta mo yung sapatos. Tingnan mo yung pa. Ito yung sinasabi ni Coach Ronnie.
Mula sana doon sa baseline ng kuha, no, Seb, no? Para litaw.
Yan, teka.
Baliktad direct.
Baliktad.
Dapat mula sa harap.
Sa harap. Okay. Sige. Rep, alis ka dyan. Sige.
Layo, oh.
Malayo sa free throw line, ano?
Saka nasa bandang kaliwa, Seb.
Sige. Ulitin natin kay Direk yan. Madaling pakiusapan to si Direk eh.
Eto na, meron ng 7-0 run ng defenders.
Sabi
Anchored once again on Baltasar and Marlon Legaspi.
Sabi ni Direk, magsalita na lang kayo dalawa dyan.
Tama naman.
Si Monson para. Ano ba ito? Ano ba laruan yung ganyan? Parang paintball eh, no? Oink.
Monson is not moving, Seb.
Mayroon. Humihinga naman. Ito na yung ating rescue team. Bigat parang
Tumama ulo, Sir.
Tumama ba yung ulo?
Oo, tumama ulo, tumalbog.
Here's it again. He got it.
Tingnan mo,
Tingnan
Seba.
natin,
Kakadyutin dito ni Marlon Legaspi. Mawi-whiplash eh. Ito may ulo ah.
Bang! Parang itong tinamaan si Pacquiao. Nakadilat naman. Yep. And the crowd is creeping into it.
Starting to move.
Yeah,
That's
it's
a
always a
good
good sign. No? Ako pag dumilat yung mata, pag gumalaw yung mata. Kasi pag gumalaw yung mata, lalo na sa boxing, okay tayo. Now, that affects the MMDA even more.
Oh, yes. He has been the Black Wolves' best player in the last 2 games at least. Alam ni Roa at nakita niya kaya tinulungan niya.
You know, I think he can step up on his own, but he's just fagged out, really. At saka, temple sa puli, no, yung ulo kumalabog.
So, mabuti na yung...
Safe
Oo.
and secure. Well, I'm not familiar with procedure. I'm sure it's necessary to strap it together, no? Para hindi nga naman mahihulog. Ito slowly now. We'll see here. Actually dyan, sa angle na yan, mukhang nasiko. Pero dito, sa body tumama eh.
Sa bewang, sir.
Sa body ang tama here.
Yan,
Oh. Bang! Yung gamit nung hip, no? Well, may pinagdaanan yung dalawa kanina eh. And we have a long lull on the floor here. Boy, that's a slippery downside trip, downhill trip rather. We'll take a short break. We'll wait for this game to get reorganized. It's 41-24 in favor of the Senate.
Shooting 2 free throws is Popski. Let's ball possession.
Okay, it is 41-24. The situation here is foul on Legaspi declared unsportsmanlike. 2 free throws forthcoming for the man on your screen, Bobski Panikan, and the ball will be retained by the MMDA after the free throws. Wala tayong cooling process dito, no? Like the pros,
Wala.
Parang sa hockey. Disco. Airball. So ano epekto ng pagkawala ni Monson for now?
Well, unang-una mawawala yung floor spacer nila, yung kaisa-isang threat nila from the outside. At siya rin yung nagpasimula ng matinding spark para dito sa MMDA. Dami rin naagaw na bola niyan. At matapang din sa ilalim dahil nandun sa bottom 3 yan ng kanilang zone defense. So, sigurado naman tayo makakabalik dahil nakita natin na bumalik yung ulirat niya bago siya dalhin sa labas upang bigyan ng first aid.
Malyari. He's a full customer here. He's actually their lone semblance of a big man. 41-26. The lead is 15. Malaga.
Well located, yes. But still, Malaga seems to have Baltazar on his GPS, Ev.
Yeah.
Time and again, he has found Baltazar on a post.
Despite the block there, Ganda ng pasa eh. Here's Roa. Here's Malaga. He won't take it from long distance. He'll drive it in instead. Ends up short. Malaga and Baltazar like each other so much they grappled with the ball. Downstairs he goes. You were saying?
Almost a perfect find once again for Malaga, but Baltazar just could not control that basketball.
Saka dalawang defender din doon sa ilalim as we hit the 4-minute mark of a long second quarter.
Very long second quarter.
We've had 2 stoppages already because of contacts. Malyari beginning to wax hot here.
Malyari. Maraming nangyayari pag hawak niya yung bola. Back-to-back baskets for Malyari.
Malyari kang shoot ng bola. And Legaspi takes care of the layup. Still a 15-point lead. And the lead was as large as you were saying, 24?
21.
21. There's a nice runner by PJ Villanueva, who must now pick up his scoring really with the absence of Monzon.
There's always a choice, lalong-lalo na sa basketball. The choice to fold up or the choice to fight back. And fighting back is simply what the Black Wolves have in mind.
Baltasar, no.
3 possessions, 3 baskets para dito sa kupunan ng Black Wolves. From 41-24, meron silang 6-2 counter run. At dun sa ating first quarter, Seb, mabigat yung pagsasara sa first quarter ng Black Wolves.
Ayan na! Ayan na si Villanueva! Gumising na! The lead is down to 10.
It's a matter of survival para dito sa Black Wolves. And they are a very dangerous team when their backs are against the wall.
Tignan mo kung merong remate at ratsyada.
Coach Kenneth unhappy sa kanilang press break.
Kung merong team na capable ng ganong rally, it's the MMDA. Check out the patrol. I am fit. I am it. Heave from 3-point distance by PJ Villanueva.
Villanueva and of course Malyari stepping up to the plate in lieu of Monzon. Tingnan natin kung may papagpatuloy ito ng kupunan ng Black Wolves. This is the closest that they've been.
And it's up at 11 as Malaga has been a steady point guard for the Senate. Heady at that as well. Into the corner we go. Oh yes! That is Bomsky.
Ano yung sinasabi mo, Coach Ronnie, na wala kaming tres? Na hindi namin kayang tumikada mula sa Rainbow Territory.
Bitawan namin.
Oo, 5 possessions, 5 conversions.
Baltasar ends the madness. It's back to 11.
Reminds me so much of Noli Locsin. Once
Sobra,
again,
no?
a Jolens move para dito kay Baltazar.
Akala mo hindi kayang lumipad.
Correct.
Here's Villanueva. Stop his dribble too early. Nice move by Malaga. Just couldn't complete. Gets his own miss. Can't get it to be completed. And here we go to the other end. Here's Kitap slowing it down. PJ should ask for the ball actually. Idria, however, has other ideas. Yes!
Talk about finishing strong once again. Ang sinabi ko, makulit ball elite itong MMDA. Ang tawag ko ngayon dito, sir, Tutubi Brigade.
Ayun! Supalpal ni Malyari who's doing a little of everything. Alam mo, patapos ang laro. It's still 46-38 and still a lot of time. Basketball count!
Frustration cannot set in para dito sa defenders. Supposedly, this is the best fight for them. But right now, the Black Wolves are playing the best dito sa ating first half.
Timeout taken. Back in a moment.
Shooting the bonus free throw is Irv Green.
It can be miracles if you believe. Maganda na lang. Kita mo yan? Galing mo bumakap. Iba ka. Iba. Ito, malaking ratsyada si Monzon. Bumalik pa
At ang
sa bangko.
Sir, ang Tutubi Brigade ng MMDA ay walang puknat sa kanilang pagtakbo.
Okay, we have a medical report. We don't have Rina today.
Wala kasi si Rina, no?
Blood pressure is normal at motor functions ni Monzon are okay. Bigaspi scores, so nag-rest lang and then mukhang pwede na si Monzon. I'm sure if I were Coach Martinez, second half ko na ipapasok yan. Because this team on the floor seems to be humming. Villanueva misses, however. He takes it away. PJ Bomsky asking for it. PJ, however, has other ideas. No, Baltasar secures it.
Nako.
Huli. Dami pang oras. No need for a rush here. Yeah. You know, this is the MMDA. What do I know? Parata says so. Sige, tulo kayo. But this is... Okay, Coach Martinez wants a timeout. Plan a good shot. We'll be right back. Ito, bakit hindi nga naman bigyan ng 5 o 10 ganito ang bawat player sa basketball? Yun ang endless argument. But it would take the joy from the sport.
Maganda ng kuha ay.
Wala ko yan. Oh. Hayaw, kinuha. Take a look at the New Moms. Bidang nanay with New Moms. Malunggay, 3. Kanto. Medyo na-inlove na sa 3, ano? Wala eh. That's the best play. Edria. All the way. In!
14 for Edria.
And the lead has been pruned down to 7. From a high of 21, Baltasar says, I got it, but no. Will there be time for one last shot? It's in the air, short. But we've got a ball game, Mr. Magsano.
26 second quarter points para sa MMDA versus only 17 for the defenders. Down 21 at one stretch, now only behind by a 3-possession deficit.
Okay, we'll be having the quarter break or the halftime break. In the meantime, Ryan will take care of you.
Thank you, Seven Coach Ron. I agree with you. We have a ball game. And again, we would like to take this opportunity to thank our sponsors, starting off with our major sponsor na official ball na ginagamit po natin dito sa UNTV Cup, ang EFS Basketball. Ostugard, Go Galaw. Patrol, I am fit, I am it. And UNTV Cup would also like to thank Mayor Paint. You paint more while you pay less. Ray Herbal Food Supplement. Walang gamot ang kamatayan. May lunas ang karamdaman. Ray Herbal Food Supplement. Dito ka tatagal. Yan ang ginagamit lagi ni Adjus Carion. And special thanks to Waterboy, pure, safe, and clean. At sa mga mahilig pong mag-juice, maganda pong gamitin nyo ang Matstone, your health mate, and versatile kitchen assistant. Of course, Water Philippines, keeping you healthy while saving your money. For inquiries, please call 0932-738-4886. Eto po, sa ating halftime break, sa second game, kikilalin naman natin ang isa sa mga star players ng run and gun team na MMDA Black Wolves. Bagaman siya po ay na-injury kanina, tumama ang kanyang ulo, pero ngayon po, okay na po siya. Panoorin po natin sa Heart of a Champion, si Harold Monzon ng MMDA Black Wolves. Kapansin-pansin ang opensa ng MMDA Black Wolves sa bawat game nila sa UNTV Cup. At sa bawat laro, kapag ipapasa na ang bola sa may 3-point area, may isang mamang nakaabang at nakahandang tumira. Ilista mo na, Harold Monzon for 3.
Papasahan sa may 3-point area. Monzon for 3. Oh! He has the green light because
Mula pa noong taong 2009 ay kawani na ng Metro Manila Development Authority si Harold Monzon.
Pumasok ako rito sa MMDA noong 2003, September 16, hanggang sa kasalukuyan po. Naging permanent po ako 2009. Trabaho ko rito sa rescue ay sa wrecker. Dinangihila po kami ng mga sirang sasakyan sa EDSA. Tinatabi namin sa emergency bay. Tapos doon, pinapalalanan po namin sa mga nakasulat doon kung hanggang anong oras sila para magpadala sila ng rescue. Ang duty ko po rito sa rescue ay alternate. Isang buwan sa pangmaga, isang buwan sa panggabi. 12 hours.
Natuto si Harold mag-basketball sa pamamagitan ng matyagang panonood sa mga naglalaro noong bata pa.
Wala nagturo sa akin. Nakikita ko lang, minsan nanonood ako nung maliit pa ako. Ayun, nakakasana ako na rin maglaro ng basketball.
Kahit puyat at pagod sa pag-duty sa trabaho, ay hindi alintana ng Black Wolves forward ang mga adjustments sa ensayo at game day sa UNTV Cup.
Ang maganda rin kasi hilig din ng katawan namin yung pagbabasketball na exercise din. Ang maganda kasi may mga natutulungang mga charity, mga batang mga may cancer.
Kaya naman sa kanyang pakikiisa sa public service advocacy ng Liga na konsepto ni Kuya Daniel Razon, sinikap ni Harold na laging ibigay ang lahat ng makakaya sa bawat pagsabak sa hardcourt ng MMDA Black Wolves.
Pwede pa mga comeback, pero pag
Kuya Daniel, maraming salamat. Binigyan niyo kami pagkakataon na mapakita ang aming lakas at matulungan din yung mga nangangailangan.
Si MMDA Traffic Aid 1 Harold Monzon, ang public servant na may heart of a champion.
Papasahan sa may 3-point area. Monzon for 3. Oh! He has the green light because
At sa papaninding mga labanan dito sa UNTV Cup, patuloy po ang pagbibigay ni Harold Monzon ng lahat ng kanyang makakaya para makatulong sa ferocious MMDA Black Wolves. At sa bawat nakikilala natin mga players dito po sa UNTV Cup, manalo man po o matalo ang kanilang mga koponan, ay nananatili silang mga kampyon sa puso ng ating mga kasambahay. And with that inspiring feature, muling papatunayan ni Harold Monzon ang kanyang never say die attitude sa sagupaan ng MMDA Black Wolves versus Senate Defenders. Kaya at this point, itutuloy na po natin ang ating third quarter ng ating second game, the MMDA Black Wolves versus the Senate Defenders. Back to you, Seth. Coach Ron.
Pindot. Kailangan pipindutin ko muna to kasi kundi mamatay. Yan ang ginawa ng MMDA nung bandang dulo ng second quarter. May pinindot sila, umandar ang game nila. Turning point probably, alam mo kayo mga coaches, turning point na tinitingnan nyo. Pagkakauntog ni Harold Monzon.
Yes, parang
baka
ganun
yung
pa
moment
lumabas.
na yan, ha?
And eventually, the rest of the Black Wolves chose to fight back even harder.
Correct.
Down by 17 at that part of the
At
game.
that point, ha?
Oo.
At that point.
Ngayon, 7 na lamang. Idria throwing caution to the wind. Malyari reawakening. PJ Villanueva leading the way sa kanilang stability at kanilang matinding fighting stance laban dito sa supposedly dominant team ng Senate Defenders.
Na pinakita naman ng Senado kasi nung umpisa si Legaspi hindi magmintis. Ano?
Ay, grabe.
Si Baltasar, naispatan siya ni Malaga sa ilalim.
Oo.
Maganda yung teamwork nila until rumatrat na at nagising nga yung tinatawag ni Ronnie Magsanok ng mga kulit-buloy. Ano yung bago mong pangalan sa kanila?
Tutubi Incorporated.
To be incorporated.
13 total turnovers forced by Tutubi Incorporated. And now we have only a 2-possession deficit or 3-possession deficit papunta sa ating third quarter.
At saka, ang isang bagay na bahagyang kinantsawan mo ang sarili mo.
Tumama,
ng
sir.
3-point shooting. Ano?
Tatlo eh. Biglang naging 60% from the 3. Itong kupunan ng Black Wolves. At doon sila nabuhayan. Dahil mabilis silang nakabalik.
Kasi kung iyon, hindi yung... Kasi nung nawala si Monzon, nung nawala yung dimension na yun, akala ko wala na eh, no? Bigla
Oo kasi
si
talagang
Bansky,
ang lalaki nila
nakadeliver,
Malaga,
no?
Baltazar at Legaspi sa loob. Pero nung tumama sa kanto at sa ibabaw, bumuka ng bahagya ang depensa ng defenders.
Okay, handa na po natin ang
Handa
ating
na.
laro para sa second half. Magsisimula tayo sa 50-43. Sa ilang segundo lang, magbabalik ko kami. Siguro yung mga naglipat ng channel, hindi ganyan yung score na nakita kanina, no? Sabi mo nga, 24 yung biggest lead. Okay, tingnan natin. Parehong kupunan, natagalan sa kanilang halftime discussion. Tingnan natin kung sino ang mamumunga pagkatapos ng mga pag-uusap na yan.
Ang nakita ko rito tinweak ni Coach Kenneth yung kanilang starting unit. At ito yung mga tatlong gwardya upang tumulong magbaba ng bola. And let's see if Malaga will now be an attacking guard because meron na siyang Endaya at si Marata na makakatuwang sa backcourt. But definitely that was not a good foul given up by Gaitan. Malaga will go to the line for 2 free throws. The defenders are only 59% from the free throw line today at 13 of 22.
Cool Cat Malyari taking care, Malaga rather, taking care of the first free throw. Yung Malyari had a series of 6 points in that run that helped ignite the fire for the MMDA.
Well, Marlon Legaspi did everything that he could do. 24 solid points for Legaspi. 10 of 10 from the field, but only 1 of 4 from the line. Baltasar with 11, pero itong si Malaga na kumonekta sa dalawang free throws, kailangan pumuntos na rin. 6 na puntos dito para kay Malaga.
We had head thumping, head banging on the floor incident with Harold Monson, but he seems to be okay. He's back on the bench. But as to whether he will be used again remains to be seen.
Very rare do you find Malaga
Throwing the ball that way.
lose his composure with no backcourt pressure at all. Pero meron siyang isang turnover kanina late in the second quarter. Ngayon, meron na naman sa unang minuto ng ating third.
Edria, the dish goes astray as Andaya picks it up. No look forward ahead. The go-ahead pass to Marata, who tiptoes among the daffodils to save it from going out.
Naniniwala ako talaga, Seb, na kung hindi post, wag mo nang ibigay. Kasi haabutan ka talaga nila eh.
Parang,
Bibilis
yeah. Saka kahit sinong kalaban mo, no? Yung thinking that aabutan. Suddenly, Baltasar, simply unstoppable. It's again 12 points. Malyari, nice steal by Malaga. Andaya, Marata ahead, can't find the ball, looks for an angle, is fouled.
Found a way to locate the rim. Yung sinasabi natin 2-on-1, biglang magiging 2-on-2 ng mabilis dahil ang bibilis recover itong Black Wolves. 2 important stops.
Good first 5 by Kenneth actually.
Oo, yung
speedier 5
pero
on the
tandaan
floor.
mo, Seb, humabol dito itong defenders nung inupo niya ng bahagya. Nasabay-sabay si Malaga, si Baltazar at si Legaspi. Si Marata yung
Because they were
pinatrangko niya. Pero
way ahead at that point.
Oo, naamoy yun ni Coach Martinez kung kaya hindi niya pinatigil sa pagbuliglig ng kanyang tutubi at Bubuyog Incorporated ang mga may hawak ng bola para dito sa koponan ng defenders. 7-0 na ito para sa Maroon Shirts.
Gitap, chinek kung nasa ng paa niya. Wala. Nanlamig na. Reset niyo muna. Yan. Yan ang sinasabi ni Edria. Pero si Edria nagmamadali. Ni Lobo, hindi. Pinasa kay Malyari. Pasok!
Mukhang na-master na ni Jopper Malyari yung bahagyang teardrop.
Yung short range na yan.
Oo, mahirap na tira yun. 8 in the game para kay Malyari.
Good lead pass. The reverse. Graceful glide by Baltasar.
Better press break here para sa defenders. You cannot rush it because nobody will be home. Monzon still icing the back of his head. Seems to be ready to get back and join the fray. His team is behind by 14 at 59-45. Oh my.
Malaga. The rare boner. Double block high. Edria knocking in the tray.
Converted turnover once again. Walang mabigyan ng outlet. Siya ang rebound, hindi pwedeng siyang magbababa. Kailangan may outlet man.
This press has worked at least for the MMDA. Towards the end of the first half and here in the third. Turnaround. No. Won't stay down. Villanueva launches. Here's Malyari. Nice sidestepping motion. Lost his route to the basket. Here's Legaspi. Wrong position by Villanueva.
I was about to say bad pass from Malaga pero sa haba ng galamay ni Legaspi was able to keep that ball in play. 13 ang kalamangan ng defenders.
Ang ginawa ni Villanueva doon was the defense of the small man. No? He went for the sa Sundot where he should have stood his ground. Malyari with the arm of a defender on it. Could be Andaya. Yes, it is.
Itong si Andaya, very spirited defender at very clever. Clever guard, oo.
Masipag
Magandang,
dumating sa laro yan eh.
Read sa laro.
You're saying?
On cue.
On cue. And he likes Marata.
At hindi nagpipilit kung hindi gumagawa ng basketball play para sa kanyang kasama.
Long cross-court pass. Kitap. Nice dish downstairs. Kulang sa pihit yung tira ni Nolasco. And it's stolen from behind. Edria.
Bolilits are back.
But can't control it. Marata says, sige. Follow up Legaspi.
Nice pass daw, sabi ni Tata Marata.
And suddenly, it's back to a 17-point lead where it was already trimmed down to 9, if I remember. We'll be right back after this. Ano Paano kaya ako nagsasalita yung bola na yan? Pala yung close-up niyo eh. Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Ako po ang pinag-aagawaan ng mga tao rito. Ayun, kinuha na ako.
Lagi na lang akong hinahawakan.
At bakit ako laging binabato?
Ako na lang parati.
Why is me always?
Ako.
65. Oh, ano ang tamang ginagawa ng Senate, my friend?
Dumidepensa ng gusto. Now they're closing out on those who are outside, respecting the perimeter shot and even the long-range capacity ng Black Wolves. Bagay na sinabi kong wala sa pakete ng MMDA, pero nagpamala sila ng tatlong mabibigat na conversions from the 3. Dahil lang kung bakit nakahabol sila. They're only down by 8 earlier. And again, a defensive stop para sa defenders. You don't need to give up that basketball and run if you don't have a wide open teammate really
Kanina,
downstairs.
nung rumatsada sila, they were taking very good shots actually. Malaga thought about it. Drops it to Baltasar. 3 seconds. Akala niya kasi titira na eh. Tama. And this is in the Ostergaard Gogalaut 3. Idria. Villanueva, triple. Rims out.
Oh!
Ito, no, pagka walang stay home na tao, no?
Pero relay pass, hindi forward pass, hindi baseball pass. Kailangan merong kang malapit, short passes to combat yung quickness ng MMDA. Besides, you have to keep that ball high dahil pag nasa baba yung bola, kaya-kaya nilang sikwatin. Here in the third quarter points para dito sa defenders, only 5 para dito sa Black Wolves. That is a major turnaround in favor of the defenders.
Andaya replaced by Garcia by Coach Kenneth Durandes.
Yan, mag-iiba na naman ang timpla sa backcourt and defenders.
Mandado rather can't knock it in. And Legazpi uncontested.
30 na si Legazpi, Sir. 13 of 14 from the field, 92%. Grabe, no? Yan ang sinasabi natin. We have to keep the ball high.
Baltasar. Binaba niya yung bola eh. Wala, nandun na si Garcia sa ilalim. Malaga. Doon mananatili ang bola.
17 seconds on the shot clock.
30 for Legazpi, 15 for Baltazar.
45 points na yun.
Oo, 15 and 10 for Baltazar. Make that 17 and 10. And these two has really pushed the defenders way out of harm's way.
Walang way to stop them eh. Parang nabuhusan na ng tubig yung rally ng MMDA.
Babski.
Hindi pa ho. 18. Garcia, double. Okay daw. Nanakaw yung bola. Ilelay up ni Babski.
Babski with 5 points in 2 possessions forces the hand of Coach Kenneth to call timeout.
69-53 is the count as we hit a timeout. Here's a patrol. I am fit, I admit. He from 3-point distance on target. And the MMDA hoping that another revolution, another resurgence will be ignited before this third quarter is over. But Baltasar and Legazpi and Ong is in the game for the first time. Ong used to coach this team as well. Malaga sidestepping motion. Won't work. Nodado will go straight to the hole, you know. Naubusan na lang sa taas. Nakita mo yung kay-Indria. Nagpapapalag.
Tatawagan pa ng offensive foul itong si
Babski.
Si Malaga, Sir. Kasi Ninoong pinasok na ni Coach Kenneth Durandes.
Para may pahinga si Legazpi.
Oo, ito hindi siya pwedeng magpasok ng maliit at wala masyadong experience dahil ito yung ginatasan ng gusto kanina ng Wolves. Good call.
Yung wagay-way sa ilalim, hindi pwede yan ngayon.
Christian Anaya for Ray.
Eto, bakbakan sa loob.
Bigyan mo si Adria papalitan na si Malaga, hinahabol pa niya sa. Tama, sabi ni coach, dikitan mo maski sa magpunta.
Oo. Nope. Si Babski, daming playing time.
Back-to-back turnovers, 2 unforced turnovers. Laban sa Black Wolves here in the third quarter, 19 points for the defenders after being contained to only 17 in the second quarter. Samantalang itong Black Wolves exploded for 26 in the second quarter, only accounting for 10 third quarter points. Coach Kenneth Durendes nang hinayang na naman, Sev.
Si Zalford naman, tawa ng tawa doon sa likod.
Si Salford naman, maski crunch time, nakatawa yan.
Oo nga, no?
Sabay tipa sa kanyang gitara.
Ah.
Mapatak na naman ang ulan sa bubong ni Salford.
Andaya with the foul. Dami magaling sa PBA.
Ed Cordero.
Arnie Duantes.
Nagtataka lang ako, sir. Lahat ng tao giniginaw sa Makati Coliseum.
Oh.
Si Boss Ed.
Muscles eh. Asan si Muscles? Ando sa taas?
Umuwi, kumuha ng jacket. Ay, sorry.
Ay, ano?
Sorry. Asan na ba?
Ayun na sa may top rail. Ewan ko ba? Saan ba yun?
Umalis.
Marlon Legazpi for Emmanuel Baltazar. Max Kinap for
69-55, 14.
So instead of sitting his 3 key players at the same time, siya na-shuffle na ni Coach Kenneth yung pagpapahinga ng kanyang mga key players.
Daya across the midcourt line.
Tulin, ano? Usay ito eh.
Huli. Roa. Garcia. May foul.
Si Garcia matapang maglaro,
Yeah.
no? Saka very confident. Even if he has not put in much, or rather if he has not put in yung points on the board, yung quality nung kanyang laro nandun. Magandang katuwang ng mga key players.
Saka may diskarte siya. Takes care of the free throw.
Starter ito ni Coach Kenneth kanina.
Ang foul doon kanina si Lamon. Lamon sending Garcia to the free throw
Sabi ko
line.
sa iyo, Seb, interesting names para dito sa Black Wolves eh. Idria, you have Gita, Babski.
Babski. Alam mo nung maliit yan, happy childhood ang pinanganak yan.
Bakit ka?
Sabi mo magulang, ay, kagandang bata. Babski! Sana. Ayaw! Wala na, nagmimintis na.
Ganda naman ng rebound ni Roa sa ere pumibot.
Kaya mo yan?
Sa kwentuhan, hindi.
16 seconds upon the shot.
Teka. Tatanong. Yung totoo? Hindi.
Nung araw, kaya mo yun.
Hindi nga.
Hindi talaga. Uy. Burado. Eraser move. Sabi na nga.
Number 15, Dino Wong. Yes, first.
Ako nilang bola. Kuminsan yung hoy, nakakatulong yan.
Hoy at saka oy.
Oh.
Uy at saka oy pala. Parehong ano ba yun?
Huwag kang sisigaw ng rep. Rep wag.
Ayaw.
Hoy!
Parehong patinig ba yun? O tama, patinig.
Patinig.
Oy, uy. A-E-I-O.
Ala. Gusto ni Edre yung move na yun.
Number 15, Dino Wong.
Walang distansya kasi tira niya. Kailangan lapit niya ng konti.
Two free throws for Virgo.
Pero
Alam, may buwelo,
mabigat na
eh.
yung contribution ni Adria. 17 na para kay Adria, Seb. 75% from the field. First miss from the line. He was 5 of 5 prior to that misfire. Pero tignan mo, Seb, yung comeback nila aided by 6 of 17 shooting from the 3. That's unheard of when you talk about itong kupunan ng Black Wolves.
Yep, not their cup of tea. 1 minute and 5. Si Andaya kasi, ang i-contribute niya, hindi yung points. Hindi mawawala yung bola sa atin. Kahit magkagulo yung MMDA niya.
Pwede yung i-recruit ito ng Black Wolves dahil ganun siya maglaro
Actually. Pero maganda yung ball control niya. Grabe. Wrong pivot foot. Nag-change ang pivot foot. Ito sinudado babalik.
So far, still no Monzon para sa MMDA. Ito, matagal natin hindi nakita naglaro.
Si Sosa.
Told you, interesting names para sa Black Wolves.
Wala namang question. Villanueva to the corner. Gitap. Babski. Gitap. Gitap. And Legazpi ends the madness.
Can't get the ball dead center, but he had good looks. 3 possessions at least in one setting para dito sa defender.
Clear looks, no? 33.2 seconds remaining, and the MMDA in the fourth quarter has to have a very, very hot start to be able to turn this around.
Which the defenders had to open things up in the third. They had a fiery start to increase their separation. They were only ahead by 7 at 50-43. Then suddenly a 7-0 run in the first minute and 40 turned that 7-point lead into a 14-point advantage at 57-43. And since then, they've protected this 10-point barrier. Now it has increased further to 17 at 72-55.
Baseline attack. Reverse does not bite. Ong embraces the ball. 3 little men trying to grab it away. No success. The pass deflected. Here's Roa. Garcia. And a foul against Villanueva.
Si Linoong has also played impact minutes para dito sa defenders. It's not the production, it's not even the amount of rebounds. It's just the presence, the composure, the stability of being a former player in the UAP, a former PBL player who knows how to handle pressure situations.
Laro rin dito yan.
Oo.
Kasi matagal naging bahay ng Philippine Basketball League ito. From Divisional Gengyao, papunta kay Chino Trinidad. Until tuluyan ang natapos ang buhay ng PBL.
Garcia, para dito sa kanilang koponan.
Ang ganda pa yung free throw. Yun.
5.7. 5 of 5 from the free throw line.
Oh, corner shot. Babski. May habol mo ba itong MMDA?
Meron pa. Mahirap makalaban ang Tutubi Incorporated. 16 kanilang pagkakabaon pero hindi pa nagtatapos ang laban ng Black Wolves.
Here's a New Moms, Bidang Nanay with New Moms, Malunggay 3. Breaking wide open our doors for the fourth and final quarter, 74-58. If you just joined us, that score not exactly reflective of the way things have gone throughout the course of the battle. We had a searing rally by the MMDA in the second quarter, trimming it down to a single digit. But what are you looking at?
Si Monzon nagbabalik.
Siya yung I was about to say that he had hit his head on the floor.
He was the rallying point of the Black Wolves during the 4-minute mark of the second quarter. And eventually, when he was sidelined, that was the turn for the Black Wolves to turn on the heat. Courtesy of Edria, PJ Villanueva.
Who just took the ball away.
Not a good start para sa defenders. A turnover.
Binuhatan.
Kaya ayaw mo magtapon dahil talagang tatakbuhan kanila. At pag natakbuhan kanila, dahil sa pagtatapon mo, it means they have the numbers versus you.
74-58. Okay, I guess you'll say again that they'll have to do it from the defensive end for the MMDA. They did a bit of a press in that second quarter.
Kasi
not much in the third.
Makakapress talaga sila, Sev, dahil nakakabasket sila at nakakapunta sila sa free throw line. Kasi pag turnover points ang na-score nila, makakaset up sila ng kanilang alignment. Nung sa dami ng tinama ni Marlon Legazpi sa umpisa, hindi sila makapress. Pero ngayon, Marlon Legazpi scoring has come to a halt at 31.
Short range shot. No. Sumubok ng nakaw ang MMDA, hindi pumasok.
At ngayon, ang hinete naman ng defenders ay itong si Baltazar.
Pag hinawakan niya ang bola, hirap agawin.
Kailangan iangat mo talaga. Tumao na rito ang Black Wolves.
Andaya, Golding in the game, who entered at the end of the third. Idria, nice dish to Malyari. Minsan masyadong libre, mahirap eh.
At kung minsan, di ka makapaniwala, nasasablay ka pa.
Nice fake.
Baltazar has really played smart basketball here. Not overpowering his opposition, but using enough size and heft to just push around yung mga nakakatapat niya sa ilalim.
Even a double team. Monson, air ball. Well, some people that might be an assist. It ended up in Nolasco's hands. Lead is 15. Double team. Idria. Uy! Ibang huy yun.
Yung kay Monson kanina, Aruy. 5 fouls for Idria. He will have to leave the game for good.
Oh, yun ang huy. Kaya pa siya napahuwi.
That will hurt the cause of the Black Wolves. Key player nila yan.
Ano yan eh? Prime mover ng Bubuyog Incorporated.
Mismo.
Andaya. Golding. Bubbles. Fish off. Somebody. 3 seconds.
3 turnovers in 5 possessions para sa defenders. Marlon Legaspi has seen enough on the bench. A minute and a half rest is enough. Legaspi is back on the floor together with Baltazar.
Villanueva sees a crack. Babsky short. Andaya lead pass. Marata 2 steps ahead. Gone.
Another layup for Tata Marata. 11 in the game for Marata.
Nice move by Nolasco. He'll go to the free throw line after being clipped.
Very important for the defenders to stay away from being over the limit. It will slow the game down. And that is something that they don't like. They just want to get the time flowing as they are protecting a 17-point advantage laban dito sa Black Wolves.
Legaspi ended up with foul number 4. First free throw in the bag. Same with the second.
Saka kaya ayaw mo nagbibigay ng free throw Sef dahil nakaka-align sa press itong iyong kalaban.
Simon Valencia's back in the game. Can't control the ball and Andaya is bottled up. Breaks loose.
Husay talaga magdala eh.
Calm siya eh. Hindi siya nagpapanik eh. Marunong siya pumivot, di ba? Naalala ko yung larong frisbee eh. Kasi once you catch, once you stop, you cannot restart.
Okay.
Pag umistop ka, you have to pivot now. Kaya kung marunong kang basketball at marunong kang pumivot, helps. Nice move. And he's tagged in the air.
Steady force in the backcourt, definitely itong si Andaya. Nagpapapalit na rin si Andaya.
Oh, kanina pa
Siya binubuliglig. Hindi madaling magbabat. Kanina meron ng major run sa third quarter ng MMDA. Pero napigilan nga yan nila Malaga. Pero mabigat yung unang bulusok dito nila Baltazar at Legaspi upang lumayo sila by 17 earlier. And now they are looking at a 15-point lead. Under 8 minutes ang natitira dito sa ating huling yugto.
Christian Andaya missing the first. Fourth quarter action, 7:41 remaining. Malyari secures the loose ball. Monson battling Marata.
It's a veteran move on the part of Tata.
Valencia curling, bang, Borado.
This will put MMDA
in penalty. Malaga is in for Andaya. 7 minutes and 23 remaining. Foul. I thought it would go against Baltasar, who waved off the defender, but he was clipped earlier. Lamon with his second foul and free throws forthcoming for Baltasar. Parang nabuhusan na ng tubig ng tuluyan yung rally, ano?
So far, pero meron pa isa to Seb, at least isa. Pero kung hindi magtatapon ng bola ang defenders, may hirapan makabalik dito ang
Pag
ng
na-control
Black Wolves.
nila, no?
Pero dalawang misses yan para kay Baltasar.
Bamsky. Monson says, may hilo pa ba ako? Ayaw, Villanueva, short range. Yes. Down to 13. Offensive foul.
Totally unnecessary in the part of
Valencia.
defenders. Yes.
Valencia is first. 3 on the defenders.
Fresh shot clock, fresh possession. Bobsky, wild. Marata, half a step. No, overcooked it. Here's Sosa. Quickly to PJ. Thinking free, steps back, 3 on its way. No. Murado of somebody. Again, si Sosa kanina pa chine-check yung floor wax ko ano ginamit dito eh, no? Refs conferring. 88 with the foul, Valencia. Double foul.
Number 8, Simon Valencia. And number 4, Gilbert Sosa.
And since it's a double foul, it becomes like a jump ball. Possession arrow rule is in effect here. Possession arrow pointing to
That
MMDA.
will also push the defenders to be over the limit.
Haba ng araw ni Monson, ano?
As he foul number 13, penalty. First foul on Ganawa.
And Monson will shoot free throws.
2 free throws for Harold Monson.
Ito yung mga sinasabi nilang kataga, Seb. Buwis buhay.
Ah,
And right now, it's blood, sweat, and tears para dito kay Monzon sa kanyang tangka na matulungan ang kanyang Black Wolves. So far dito sa larong ito, Monzon, solid. At 8 points, most of them coming dun sa kanilang unang habol sa second quarter. But since then, nahirapan na siyang to be on target once more.
alam mo, yung katok na gano'n.
Masakit yun, sir.
Bukod sa masakit, yung cobwebs ng sir. Parang yung boksingero pag tinamaan.
Para ka naalog nun eh.
Naririnig mo pa yung sahigit. Ako nun, sa larong PBA, sumabit ako kay Nori Ala. Bumagsak ako. Exhibition game sa Notre Dame. Sabog yung ilong ko. Broken nose ako.
Wow.
Sarat na nga, broken nose pa.
Tayo
Talaga.
mga Pinoy.
Pinoy. Kantang-kanta ka yan. Ano? Ikaw pala madaling hatakin sa kanta. No? Si Salford ang gitar. Nung araw
Basta, Seb, acoustic lang.
acoustic.
Aner.
hindi pang karaoke. No, may score pa.
Si kaibigang Ed yun.
Ed Cordero.
Galing.
Asan si Cordero? Ayun,
Yeah.
di muscles.
Second foul number 13, Ganawa, penalty. Second foul on Ganawa.
Ito, ewan ko kung may isang. Ayan. Tingnan mo.
Box get out for Gilbert Sosa.
Ilan lang yang makakalusot na all yellow ang suot dahil UST glowing goldie. Yan ang
Yeah.
pangalan, tawag sa kanila dati, di ba?
Yes.
Kasama si Atoy ko, ang ating commissioner. Atoy, of course, napapanood nyo sa isang network bilang isang
Daddy.
daddy. Ito na. Ito na. Huli bang rally to, sabi mo?
At least least isa. Ito na yung nagsisimulang isa.
Ponce, no? With 6 minutes to go. Tataratata, Roa. Finally na itawid. 7 on the shot clock.
Ay, importante rito yung free throws para sa defenders. Dahil ilan-ilan na yung sinablay na rito. They are 23 of 39. Only 59%.
Reynaldo Malaga Jr. with a pamatay sunog layup and he takes the ball away. No need to rush now.
Tama yan eh. Sinasabi natin, Seb, posibleng 2-on-1. Pero aabutan siya eh.
Sa akin yung ganun, hindi outnumbered, outfigured ka. Valencia blocked and blocked again but was fouled on the second try.
Because they were patient, they got a better shot. You cannot get any closer than that. But let's see if Valencia will be up to the task in making his free throws.
Lamon with a foul.
2 free throws for Simon Valencia.
Boy, ang problema talaga ng MMDA talaga is the size, you know. They couldn't replace really Jeffrey Sanders and
Cyril Santiago.
Masyadong malaking gap.
Isang 6'6 at isang former PBA player siya.
Si Cyril hindi umabot ng PBA yun.
Pero nag-PBL yata yan eh. Player yata siya ni Coach Koy Banal.
Chris Villanueva. Rodado. Inside to Lamon who gets it. +1.
Ito ang gusto ng MMDA eh. Matigil ang laro, maka-free throw sila para maka-press sila.
So Lamon will shoot the bonus.
Apat na personal fouls na itong si Marlon Legaspi. Titignan natin ha, kung tama.
Tama. Kaya nilabas eh. Kaya inupo muna eh.
Turnovers ng Senado, 23. 39-18 in terms of rebounding. But Monzon once again, finding ways.
And it's a 10-point affair. Marata lob to Valencia who can't track it down.
Third quarter ended at 74-58. 13 points in the fourth para dito sa Black Wolves. Only 7 para sa defenders. At yung pagsimula, natapon agad ng bola para dito sa defenders. Sa ating fourth quarter ay hindi naging magandang simula.
Marata gone. Monzon. And here's Valencia.
They got lucky.
17 seconds on the shot clock.
Sinudado, bagsak. Si Marata upo sandali.
Pushing foul number 30, Kakamaraga, penalty. Third foul on Kakamaraga. 2 free throws for Aldenwan.
Yung map man na nagtaas kay Marata. Alis ka dyan, maglilinis ako. Ito yung eksena kanina. Bangga pag. Hindi na umalis si Marata dyan eh. Sinudado kasi ang sakit nito since way back. Ang likot-likot mag-free throw. Knocks in the second. We're gonna have a timeout at 83-72.
Substitution, Christian Anay coming in for the defenders.
83-72. Isang larong masasabing isang pagsakay sa roller coaster.
Tama yan.
Na maraming dinaanan at pasikot-sikot. Soldado, sinubukan na naman agawin ng bola, muntik na, pero nawalan ng real estate.
Bumitaw ang Black Wolves. Only 2 seconds for the defenders to cross that ball over.
Oo.
Sayang.
Kung nakaras ng konti, no? Natapik palabas.
9 seconds on the shot clock. 9 seconds.
Kapit tuko ang Black Wolves para hindi matanggap ni Marlon Legaspi. 31 for Legaspi, Baltasar with 19. That's 50 of the 83 points. Galing sa mga higante.
And Marata tried to steal it back, ended up hitting, got hit in the nose, and this is easy as 5. Timeout taken, back in a moment.
Defense! Sibat!
Momentum is often a predictor of an outcome, and at this stage, I will venture to say that the momentum has favored the Senate. And Ronnie, just in case this continues, this trend, anong impact nito sa MMDA sa team standings?
Mahihirapan na silang makarating sa next phase. Mukhang hindi na sila aabot sa ating susunod na round.
Kasi sa grupong ito,
5 kasi ang nandito, Seb, sa kabilang grupo. Or rather, 6.
so dalawa matatanggal.
Dalawang matatanggal. Ang NHA, malabo na yan dahil wala pang panalo yan. Ang AFP at 2 and 3. Ito ang chance ngayon ng MMDA dahil ang GSIS natalo kanina sa ating unang laro. 2 and 3 na rin ang unang GSIS.
So, butas ang karayom ang dadaanan ng MMDA.
Oo, ang natitirang laro ng MMDA, mamaya sisilipin natin maya-maya.
Ang natitira nilang laro,
Judiciary.
Tapos na yun. Huling laro ng MMDA.
Tapos na yata ang Judiciary, di ba? 5 and 0 na eh. 1, 2, 3,
Tapos na ang
4.
Judiciary. GSIS, tapos na sila.
So huling laro na nila ito dapat.
May isa pa, aning pa.
And this outcome is almost beyond, rather this lead is almost beyond reach.
NHA ang kalaban. So yun, may chance sila.
So hindi pa sila totally out dahil ang GSIS.
Tanganib
Senate
bigla
pa ang kalaban, oo.
Kasi natalo sila ang GSIS kanina sa Judiciary, 2-3 sila. Ang MMDA, pwede
Magiging 1 and 3 ngayon eh. Pero kung manalo sila sa NHA,
2-3 sila. 2 minutes and 10. Last chance. But too far ahead. 13 on distancia. 2 minutes to go. And we are into the last 2 minutes, brought to you by Ray Herbal Food Supplement. Walang gamot ang kamatayan. May lunas ang karamdaman. Ray Herbal Food Supplement. Dito ka tatagal. Shot clock going by them. Villanueva, hang time.
Matawag sana ng timeout si Coach Kenneth doon.
Kaso.
Oh!
Aba,
Nakabasket ito. Siguradong timeout na si Coach Kenneth ito.
Soldado. Si Soldado natutuwa ako. Hindi ako naiinis, natutuwa ako.
Pushing foul on number 31, Julius Roma.
Ang natatawa ako sa kanya, yung reaction niya pagkatapos. Yung may gagawin siya, tapos nagtataka siya, bakit hindi based on what he saw it in his
Intindi
mind?
niya,
Di ba?
Kanina 17 na to, Seb. 89-72. Scoreless ng 2 minuto itong Senado. Pero ang mabigat is yung tapon nila na sunod-sunod.
Oo.
Edward Mena coming in for Julius Roma. 2 free throws for Alden Navarro.
Kasi dati, nung may poste, aside from the offense that Santiago and Sanchez would provide, yung stability sa poste. Pag nandun sa poste yung bola, ka-calm down sila eh.
So, ang dami nagagawa ni Jeffoy Sanders doon. So,
Oo.
1, 2, 3, 4 laro na.
pipilitin. Pwede pa mag-5 yun eh, di ba? Backcourt foul.
Taking foul number 28, Bobsky Manigan, penalty.
66 total free throws, 41 for Senate, 14 for
Joseph
MMDA.
Francisco coming in for Bobsky.
Rebounding, 42 for Senate, 21 for MMDA. But turnovers for the defenders, 28 versus 17 for the Black Wolves.
The MMDA, after winning their first game against the NHA, have lost 3 in a row. Morata missing the first. Can't make the second, and Morata wisely brings it out. No need to rush at Daya and company. Garcia, Baltasar, and a foul.
Grabe yung hingal ng defenders dito sa Panoy na
Na-survive nila yung rally,
Labayo,
no?
hindi madali kalaban.
Oo, may rat-rat.
Ito yung hinahanap ko, sir. May Andaya, may Endaya.
Alam ko na, isa pang pangalan natin para sa ano, ito, generational na ito. MMDA, Rat-Rat Patrol.
Oo.
Ganda ng TV show na yun dati.
Ganda talaga.
Pangarilan.
Umpisa pa lang, parang trailer bago magsimula yung episode.
Oo, yung OBB, yung music.
OBB.
Aha, foul. Andaya.
Taking foul number 3, Christian Andaya, penalty. Third foul on Christian Andaya.
1979.
For Francis Lamon.
And Lamon is going to shoot. Natalo ba sa free throw ang MMDA?
14 of 24 dito ang MMDA. 56%. Like that 14 of 25.
Malaking bagay, no?
Malaking bagay, sir, dahil mas marami silang ibinigay dito sa kupunan ng defenders. 45 free throws. 11 more free throws converted ang kupunan ng Senate. Although, mas mataas pa ang level ng shooting ng MMDA, pero 11 free throws more. 21 free throws more ang kanilang deficit sa defenders.
PJ Villanueva gave up the foul intentionally so the reserves could get some playing time. Why, Senate just breathing a sigh of relief, ano? So that'll improve their own standings. They'll be 3-1
That is correct, and they will solidify their hold
on second spot
second
in
spot.
very competitive Group B. The Judiciary won earlier today, so their record is an unblemished, unscathed 5-0. One more game to go after this. The DOJ against the BFP.
Tama, ang DOJ nanalo na sa kanilang
Unang laro after 3 seasons, almost 3 seasons.
tama sa pangatlong laro.
Villanueva now will sit down and Coach Martres says, okay, we've done it. We've tried our best. Lusot, ang daya, oh. Para siyang football player, ano? Shot clock at 8. 20 seconds on the game clock. 28, that is. And a chance to consume all the time. Shot clock already off. No need to foul here if you're MMDA. And Daya managed to sneak into the game. There's Ganal, who had a free throw at the start of the ball game. The layup, short, and we're done. So the Senate surviving this running, but they also established the momentum of this game.
And they will keep a firm hold on the second spot. They will climb to 3-1. It was not an easy win, but definitely itong Black Wolves still alive even after this loss. Coach Kenneth Duremde, sabi mo nga, will heave a sigh of relief thanks to his key players, Legaspi, Malaga, and of course Baltasar. they're able to get out of harm's way laban sa Black Wolves.
Okay, Ryan is with our best player of the game, and Ryan will take care of things.
Alright, thank you, Seven Coach Ron. We have here our best player of the game, Emmanuel Baltasar. Congratulations once again to Senate Defenders. Ayan, Emmanuel, nalagpasan nyo dito ang kakulitan ng MMDA Black Wolves. Nakita naman natin kanina na malapit na silang dumikit sa inyo. Anong naging plano nyo dito?
Bali, ang sabi lang ni Coach, i-press break lang namin yung, yung mga kalaban kasi mabibilis eh. Sa likod lang, pag dumadrive kami, meron palagi sa likod. Kaya sabi ni Coach, bilis lang, hawak lang ng bola. Ganun lang.
Gaano kabilis dito ang pag-i-ensayo ninyo dahil maganda na ang record nyo ngayon? And so, sa susunod na mga laban ninyo, mas pabigat ng pabigat. Gaano katindi ang pag-i-ensayo ang gagawin nyo dito?
Bali kami, nagpa-practice kami sa 1 week, 3 times a day eh. 3 times a day kami nagpa-practice. Tapos puro hard kami. Ito nga bago tayo magbakasyon, nag-practice muna, pinaghandaan namin ng MMDA.
Personally, nakagawa ka dito ng 22 points and 11 rebounds. Gaano kadalas nagpa-practice?
Binabati ko pala yung mga manager ko dyan. Sila yung Boss Gallego, si Engineer Jess De Leon, saka si Boss Gio, saka mga taga-Commonwealth. Maraming salamat.
Alright, si Gio Cuenca. Gio. Alright, thank you once again. Emmanuel Baltasar ang ating best player of the game. At matapos ang matinding bakbakan ng MMDA Black Wolves at Senate Defenders, we will pause for a short break. At sa aming pagbabalik, abangan ang sagupaan ng DOJ Justice Boosters kontra BFP Firefighters. Kaya huwag po kayong alis. UNTV Cup, we'll be right back.